Hi, welcome to this short demo about show error details, which talks about how to see details of an error if you have when you run WebLOAD. So here, for example, I'm running some test and I'm starting to see all kind of errors in my log about text validation being failed, the login is not succeeding, but I don't know exactly why it's happening. So show error detail is a checkbox that I checked. It's in global options, data drilling, this guy here, show error details. And because I checked it, now I have this kind of clip icon here. If I double click on it, it would actually show me the page that is failing so I can see what's going on. In this case, there's something wrong with sessions. I don't know, I can look at the HTML or headers view and try to figure out why. This is specifically just a correlation issue. But in general, this is kind of a useful tool, and it happens automatically for any built-in HTTP errors or any WebLOAD errors that should happen. By default, this thing happens only for errors, but you can change it. There is a setting to say show error details severity, so you can say, let's say minor error, so then would also see it for warnings. And also there is a way to write if you have like an info message of your own that you want to also include, cause these details to appear. There is a report message with full details, and then you can specify a WL error, WL minor error, or WL success for an error warning or an info message respectfully. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy testing.